with very, very sketchy restraints, and this isn't a normal drop tower. That's something unique. Oh! Oh, fit. Come back to me! Ah! Oh, this is so perfect.
So far, it's quite tame.
Yeah, so far, so no airtime just yet. Or I wouldn't call what's gonna happen airtime, but just keep your eye on these guys now. Oh! Oh! That scares the shit out of me every time. Is it good? We can get you a review right now. How good is it?
It's so intense when it flips like this. It's actually amazing.
Yeah. I agree. It's so sketch, but it's so fun.